You know, you get quite a lot of friend requests when you start secondary. There are a lot more people, and I accepted lots of them at the start because I felt that's what I should do. Now, I'm not that friendly with some of them anymore. I don't like that they can see everything I do, but I don't want to be rude and remove them.
Now press pause to discuss these questions. Once you've finished, press play to continue. Secondary schools or high schools are usually much bigger, and with new classes and subjects, Joel must have met a lot of new people. It can be an exciting time where friendships form quickly and friend requests can make you feel good about yourself. It's nice to think that others want to get to know you better, and it can also feel rude to say no or just ignore it. The nature of some of Joel's friendships have changed, and this is completely natural, especially when you get to know lots of new people at once. He's also worried about those friends who are not as close, being able to see his photos and his videos, his location, and when he's online. Unless he is worried or upset by their behaviour, Joel might not need to remove these old friends straight away. Some apps allow you to choose what individual people can see, so do explore the settings provided. It would be a good idea for Joel to tell an adult about how he was feeling, and they could also help him to put those settings in place and choose who to remove. Here are our top tips for young people. Number 1, think carefully before accepting friend requests. You don't have to accept every request you receive, and if you can't decide what to do, always ask an adult for advice. Number 2, you can change your mind. It might feel uncomfortable removing people, but friendships change and that is okay. It doesn't mean you dislike them, and also remember that if you notice that someone has chosen to remove you. Number 3, use privacy settings. Privacy settings help you to control and customize what people can see and who can see it. Search privacy settings and the name of the app, and you should get step-by-step instructions for how to put these in place. Ask an adult for help if you're not sure how to do this.